Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Expert. In this video, we are going to discuss how to calculate number of bricks in 1 meter cube of the brickwork and how to find the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate in cement concrete. So our first topic is how to calculate number of bricks in 1 meter cube of brickwork. Before going into the calculation, we must know the various size of bricks. So first one is the standard or modular size of brick, which is 19 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter. And second is the nominal size of the brick, which is 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So now the question comes, what is the difference between standard and nominal size of the bricks? So here we will take the example of the brick. This is our brick and the longer dimension is 19 centimeter and the longer dimension is called as the stretcher and the shorter dimension is called as the header, and these two dimensions are 9 centimeter and 9 centimeter, and we join our brick with the help of mortar in the brick machinery. So this is our brick and the size of the brick is 19 centimeter, and here we will fill it with the help of mortar. So this is mortar. So the thickness of the mortar is here 1 centimeter or 10 mm. So this size of the brick is 20 centimeter. This is the nominal size and this is the standard size. And for the clarity of the topic, I am using the actual picture of the brick machinery and the brick. So here is our brick machinery, here is our brick wall. So this is our dimensions, you can see. Okay, this is header, this is stretcher, and this dimension is 19 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter and this is also 9 centimeter. Okay, now this thickness is 1 centimeter or 10 mm. Okay, so this is 19 centimeter and you can see this will become 20 centimeter. So now in the part A we will find number of bricks in 1 meter cube. So this is volume of the brickwork. So in our case it is 1 meter cube divided by volume of the one brick. Okay, so it is 1 meter cube divided by 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So the unit here is meter cube and here it is centimeter. So what we will do, we will convert our unit from meter cube to centimeter cube. So 1 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 20 into 10 into 10. So the numbers comes out to be 500. So in the part B, we are going to find volume of the bricks without mortar. So volume of the bricks without mortar will become 500 into 19 into 9 into 9. So these dimensions are in centimeter, so we will convert into in meter cube. So we will multiply it with 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, so it will comes out to be 0.7695 meter cube. So here we have found volume of the bricks without mortar, because to find the actual number of the bricks we must exclude the volume of the mortar which is used. So here the volume of the brick without mortar is 0.7695 meter cube, and in the part C we will find volume of the mortar. So volume of the mortar is volume of the brickwork which is 1 meter cube minus volume of the bricks without mortar. So it is 0.7695. So the value comes up to 0.2305 meter cube. So in part D we are going to find volume of the mortar including wastage of the mortar. So in our case we are using 20% wastage. So whenever we use the mortar in the brick machinery, so it is practically not possible to utilize 100% of the mortar. Some amount of the mortar gets wasted out. So to find the actual number of the bricks, we must include the wastage of the mortar in our calculation. Okay, so here volume of the mortar including wastage is 1.2 multiplied by volume of the mortar without including the wastage of the mortar, which is 2305. So it will becomes 0.2760 meter cube. And in part E we will find volume of the bricks. So it is 1 minus 0.2760. So it is the volume of the brickwork and it is the volume of the mortar including the wastage. Okay, so it will becomes 0.7234 meter cube. And in the part F we will find number of bricks. So this will becomes volume of the brick divided by volume of one brick. So this is 0.7234 meter cube divided by 19 into 9 into 9. So this is in centimeter and this is in meter cube. So we will convert it into centimeter cube. So this, so here numbers will comes up to 470 numbers. So the second topic we are going to discuss is how to find quantities of cement, sand and aggregate in cement concrete. So to understand this topic we are going to take an example. So this is our example number 1. Compute number of cement bag and volume of sand and aggregate required to prepare 2.5 meter cube of workable RCC mix of proportion 1:2:4 by volume. And before going into the calculation, we must know the 1 meter cube of wet concrete is equivalent to 1.53 meter cube of dry concrete. So in part A, we will find volume of wet concrete. So it is given in the question is 2.5 meter cube, and in the part B, we are going to find volume of dry concrete. So it will become 2.5 meter cube multiplied by 1.53. So this is in meter cube. And in part C, we'll find ratio of mix. Okay. So this is also given in the question. This is 1:2:4. Okay. So here you should know this is cement and this is sand and this is 4 is aggregate. Now in the part D, we will find volume of the cement. So volume of the cement is 2.5 multiplied by 5.3, and this is multiplied by 1 ratio of cement divided by sum of these three ratios. So this will come 4 or 2 6 or 1 7. Okay, so it will comes out to be 0.5464 meter cube. Now we will find number of cement bags. Okay, so this will become volume of cement divided by volume of one cement bag. Okay, so here volume of the cement is 0.5464 meter cube divided by volume of the one cement bag is 0.0347 meter cube. So the answer is 15.74 numbers. So it will equivalent to 16 numbers of bags. So in the part E, we will find volume of sand. So this is 2.5 multiply 1.53 and multiply by 2 by 7. So this multiplying factor you are seeing here. So this comes from our ratio of sand 2 divided by 7. Okay. Now this will become 1.09 meter cube. And in the part F, we will find volume of aggregate. Okay. So this will become 2.5 into 1.53 and into 4 by 7. So this will become 2.18 meter cube. Okay. And in the last, we have summarized our answer. So the number of cement bag are 16, volume of sand is 1.09 meter cube, and volume of aggregate is 2.18 meter cube. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more civil engineering content. And don't forget to leave a comment with any question or topics you would like to see in future videos.